How to create Vimeo channel. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can create Vimeo channel, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to launch the or log in into your Vimeo account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on your own page, move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, and then click on it. Once you click on it, in the drop down menu, ensure you select watch. And so after selecting watch, another drop down menu will appear. In the menu that appears, ensure you select collections. So after selecting connections, you will be brought to the collections page. Alright, where you can see your portfolios, you can see showcases, then you can see channels. Alright, make or follow channels to showcase and watch groups of created videos. So click on create new channel. And so you'll be brought to the create a channels page. On this page, you can just go ahead and enter in the channel name. So for example, I'll be entering in the name tutorials. All right, and then you can add a description to the channel and ensure that you can include links but no HTML. So after entering the description about the channel, you can see who can see this channel. You can customize it. Then you can decide to add videos to these channels, and what kind of videos are you trying to add? Are they just uploads, your appearances, your uploads and appearances, or your likes? So you can just go ahead and select the one you want, and then once you're done, click on create this channel, and then the channel would be created. All right, and then you can now go ahead to add as many videos as you can to the channel. So this is it, right? This is how you can create a video on Vimeo. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to create that channel today. Have a nice day.